Done.
The book name is Inventions and Discovery
Yes.
that change the world. In this book, there is 72 pages, and in that 72 pages, there is so many new discovered thing, old things that discover, and new inventions built, like how the first in this in the index there is written the first in air kite, and so many that things invented and discovered also, that is written in this
Right.
book. And there is some, it is a comic book, and there is so many pictures such as uh, big helicopter flying in the sky, and lightning in the lightning was going,
Yes.
and one boy was flying up in the sky in the direction of sun. So many pictures. There is a picture of moon also in this book, and so many two peoples are talking with each other. There are also the two people who are talking with each other in these books.
Yes.
And there are mainly 10 to 15 to 20 chapters,
Yes.
and all are very interesting, and it is about the discovery and inventions by us.
Yes.
In the front page there is a front page. In the front page there is a children going from cycle.
Yes.
Thank you.
બીજું કોઈ સ્ટોરીઝ કે
No.
પિક્ચર